This is an AH-MB11, and I'm going to demonstrate how to use it. The length of this hose is about 1.5 meter. Okay, so now I'm going to install the gas like this. Okay, now I'm going to turn the gas on, and to turn the gas on you have to turn this button right here counterclockwise like this. As you notice, the gap right here, when you turn counterclockwise, it will shrink down. Okay, so now you can hear the gas is leaking, and I'm going to press the initial button like this. Okay, and to adjust the flame size, just turn clockwise. Big flame, counterclockwise, like this. And to turn it off, just turn all the way clockwise. Then it is off. But remember, this right here, the stainless tube right here is still really high, so you don't want to put it anywhere that is plastic. You can put it on the ground or something, wait until it is cool.